Third grade math, Module 1, Lesson 1. This is for multiplication and the meaning of the factors. The standard for third grade operations and algebraic thinking, 3.1, is to interpret products of whole numbers, e.g. interpret 5 times 7 as the total number of objects in 5 groups of 7 objects each. For example, describe a context in which a total number of objects can be expressed as 5 times 7. So our objective is to understand equal groups of as multiplication. Let's get started. In this case, we have a picture with flowers. We actually have 3 groups. Here's group 1, group 2, and group 3. 3 groups of 5 in each group. So if you count them up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you get a total of 15. It's repeated addition. You'd have 5 plus 5 plus 5. So another way of looking at it is you have 3 5s, which equal 15. And then finally you can look at it, it is 3 times 5 equals 15. Let's try another one. In this case, we have oranges. We have a set of oranges, and you can see that there's a group here, a group here, and a group here. And each group has 4. 1, 4, 4, and 4. So repeated addition, we have 4 plus 4 plus 4, you get 12. So another way of wording it is you have 3 groups of 4, which still equals 12. And then finally, you can write it down as 3 times 4 equals 12. So pause the video and try this on your own. And when you're done, we'll go over the answer. All right. Let's see how you did. So again, we have 3 groups here. So 3 groups of stars and 3 groups of, there's 6 in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in each one. And that would equal 18. So in other words, we could say it's 6 plus 6 plus 6. That equals 18. So write it down in 3 times 6 equals 18. Now try some on your own. Good luck.